Show the map, dude.
La gente desaparece. Nunca más se suben las personas.
That's the automatic is new.
Mesdames et messieurs, malheureusement vos chambres ne sont pas encore prêtes. C'est pourquoi je vous invite à rester dans cette bibliothèque et d'en profiter. Mais veillez à bien rester sur le tapis. Remain on the carpet. Thank you.
On the carpet.
Vous ouvrez cette porte avec la clé de l'imagination. Au-delà, c'est une autre dimension. Une dimension sonore. Une dimension visuelle. Une dimension de l'esprit. Vous pénétrez dans le domaine de l'ombre et de la matière, des objets et des idées. Vous venez d'entrer dans la 4e dimension. Hollywood, 1939. Dans le strass et les paillettes d'un Hollywood à l'apogée de son âge d'or, le Hollywood Tower Hotel était une star à part entière.
Westers. What went out leaving us?
I can't go by steps. The lift is not going up only. She told it's not ready. But actually it was ready.
What?
She told it's not ready the room, but actually it's ready. No, it was ready. Then she told lied. But it's going up. Oh, everyone should go to Twilight. What? 12. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I don't look, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Should have taken one lovely. Then it would be nice. We laughed at getting scared. Yeah. What you do?
Then your mom would get scared.
Three, right? Two. Let's go. Three, four.
Three.
Three or four?
Three.
Right there.
What is it?
What, man?
The mama became ghost or what? What about lion?
It's on the 12th floor.
Regarde au fond à gauche. Regarde, c'est au fond à gauche.
What?
You're looking at a room.
Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Une fois à l'intérieur de l'ascenseur, merci de déposer tous vos sacs au sol entre vos pieds. Once inside the elevator, please put all your bags on the floor between your feet. Adentro las mochillas al suelo, por favor.
Pour votre sécurité, une fois mort, veuillez attacher votre ceinture et rester assis. Veillez à conserver en permanence vos mains, vos bras vos qui vos jambes à l'intérieur de la porte. Apportez-la bien particulièrement. Merci. To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you.
I think it's not moving, only the lift.
Full electron, do not worry.
Then if we get up and go by steps.
Ladies and gentlemen, your service elevator is operated just right behind me. Messieurs, dames, votre ascenseur est opérationnel. Number 3, please.
It's like this kind of thing.
Hay una esquina.
That moment when you only put seatbelts in Disneyland.
Bags on the ground, they cycle stud. Oh. It's okay. I just got stuck my shoulder since 2 days and I just moved like a rabbit. So, I'm gonna try to do all my best anyway. I'm professional.
Hey, who's on it?
Back roll, hands up please. And shake Isabel. Just pull on the inner tug on your right. Tirez sur la longueur de la votre droite. Very good.
Pull on what?
Rangez central, middle roll, hands up please, levez les bras. Tirez également sur la longueur de la votre droite. Pull on the inner tug on your right.
They hold the GoPro nicely.
This thing is, yeah?
Check if it's coming out.
Front roll, premièrement, levez les bras. Tirez également sur la longueur de la votre droite. Once again, no. Just forget it.
Réservation a été faite par votre nom. C'est le rituel protocole.
Taken video. Dada! Hey!
En plus, quand il souffre, les fenêtres, tu vois où t'es. Elle a dit, c'est marrant.
What time is it? Jedu got so scared. expected to be more scary.
Suddenly, I thought.
He could have took Mama with a camera outside to take photos. He could have zoomed to there.
When it came back, I knew it was going to go down somewhere. Down.
You should have seen Jade's face, Dada. So shit.
I'm scared.
Dada got scared also.
They take you up there.
You can almost see the full studio.
They pop you down.
It dropped us over.
sit down.
Dada was laughing. So, yeah.
Lift, bestie.
Most of them go die.
Get the fuck.